that is the Grand Alumni Carnival. We are representing QCB and we bring you quizzing, that is quiz while you dine. It's a sort of fun quiz where I will be asking questions to the alumni and student alumni. Alumni, may I have your attention please? Here. Thank you so much. We are here presenting a QCB event, that is quizzing, quiz while you dine. Here we are going to ask you some questions which I am going to ask to the student alumni and all of you. So I am wanting a very great response from you guys so we can have a great evening ahead. Let's start with it. May I have the hands up who are alumni out here? All the alumni, please. Okay, so let's start with the foundation of BIMTech. So my first question goes to the very gentleman here. Sir, the question is, who are the founders of BIMTech? That's the correct answer. Sir, may I know your good name and your badge, please?
Gaurav Banerjee from 2004 6 batch.
Let's have a great applause here, guys. One more question to you, sir. When was BIMTech established?
Thank you, sir.
That's quick, sir. Your name and your badge, please. Congratulations, sir. One more round of applause, please, guys. Come on. Okay, let's have some junior alumni out here. Okay, so the question is, what is the full form of RCI, which are the boys hostel for first year students? Full form of RCI. Okay, any junior alumni who have been to RCI before?
No, she was not from RCI.
I do understand, sir. That's why I pass on the question to junior alumni. Any junior alumni want to answer this question? Full form of RCI. Come on. 2012-14 batch, they might be aware of these things. Come on, guys, participate. We have goodies for you. Sir, would you like to answer this question?
I have no idea.
Anyone out here who knows the full form of RCI? Sir, excuse me. Yes, you. What's the full form of RCI? Come on, you might have been safe there, you might have good old days. Okay, the full form of RCI is Ratan Coaching Institute. That's the full form of RCI. So the next question is, what do the three colors in BIMTech logo represent? Sir, this question is for you. What do the three colors in BIMTech logo represent?
Innovation.
Excellence.
The third one is energy, but I will give it for you, sir. The two answer is right. Sir, your name and your badge, please.
My name is Alok and my badge is 91 pass out.
Let's hear a round of applause for the sir here.
Can you give this to Amit, please?
So the next question is, one of the most successful small cars on Indian road is Zen from Maruti. What does Zen mean? Anyone? What does Zen mean?
Come here, na.
I know it's a brainstorming session, but that's what we are checking, how much you are aware of the Indian news. Come on. Anyone? From the alumni? Come on guys, anyone? Okay, the answer is zero engine noise. That's the full form of Zen. The next question is, who is the president of BIMTech Alumni Association? Who is the president of BIMTech Alumni Association? Anyone?
वहीं पे
President of BIMTech Alumni Association. Sir, would you like to answer that question?
Hello? Hello? 200 schools. Hello? There's a question. What is the question?
Who is the president of BIMTech Alumni Association?
So, Alok, right there.
That's correct. Mr. Alok Gupta is the answer. Let's have a great round of applause. Sir, your name, please. Great, sir. Thank you so much for participating.
कम
sir.
इधर ओए इधर माइक
The next question.
ये
Something else is only there. भैया सही करो.
माइक चेंज कर ले ये
माइक
ये माइक ले. Take this one.
ऑन कर
हाँ, on कर. उसके बाद.
Okay, let's continue with the quizzing. The next question is Mr. Anu Grover, batch Retail Management 2007-2009, is the founder and managing director of this company. He dreams of putting a plant in every hand and strongly believes that gifting a plant is far better than giving monotonous gifts. Name the company he founded. Okay, here we have participant.
Nurturing Green.
That's the correct. Your good name and your badge, please.
Raghav Jain 2011-13 IPL.
That's great. Let's hear a great round of applause.
बेगानी ने आंसर दिया होगा पक्की बात है
Next
बेगानी ने आंसर
question is
दिया
for the
होगा
senior alumni. I know they might know this answer. Who is the chief mentor of BIMTech? Who is the chief mentor of BIMTech? Anyone? Chief mentor of BIMTech. His name is there on the website. In the front page. Come on. Who is the chief mentor of BIMTech?
सोहन
That's correct. Dr. Ishwar Dayal is the correct answer. Sir, your name and badge, please. Congratulations, sir. We have some goodies for you. The next question is, which course of BIMTech was awarded the Gold Medal Award by Dr. Shashi Tharoor at International Management Conclave in 2013? That's correct. BIMTech activity is the answer. Sir, your name and your badge, please.
Praveen Kumar Shukla, class 2012.
That's great. Congratulations, sir. Huge round of applause for this, sir.
यार यहाँ से भी पूछ सोहन यहाँ पीछे इधर 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 इधर
The next question is,
इधर इधर
name the state private university set up by BIMTech at its Bhubaneswar campus. Name the state private university set up by BIMTech at its Bhubaneswar campus. It's a recent campus that BIMTech has started in Bhubaneswar. Come on, anyone. I will repeat the question. Name the state private university
नहीं बता
set up by BIMTech at its Bhubaneswar campus.
Kerala Global University.
No, that's not the right answer. Sir, one more try. Come on, you can do it. One more try. The answer is Kerala Global University. May I know your name and address, please? That's great. Let's have a huge round of applause.
पहले गलत कर दिया क्या रह गया देख
Next question is, under which company's 10,000 Women Entrepreneurs Global Project did BIMTech partner with ISB Hyderabad to train women entrepreneurs in Uttar Pradesh?
she knows
That's the correct answer. Ma'am, your name and badge, please. That's correct. Let's have a huge round of applause. We finally have first Indian contestant. Okay, let's bring some fun here.
उधर चल उधर उधर
Two Hindi film actresses are credited with the discovery of the Morse code. Who are they? Two Hindi female actresses are credited with the discovery of the Morse code. Who are they? Morse code. They are credited with the Morse code. Two Hindi film actresses. Come on, it's very common. You just have to use your logic. It's a fun question. Ma'am, would you like to give it a try? Okay, the answer is Rekha and Bindu. The next question is, who is the first person to have scored a double century in a cricket ODI? Who is the first person?
Sorry, you are not alumni.
Who is the... Okay. Come on, sir, don't be a chauvinist. I just asked a person, not a me guy. Not a person? Yep. The answer is Belinda Clark. She was the first person to score a double century in a cricket ODI. Okay, one more question is, identify the movie from this dialogue. एक बात मैं समझ गया हूँ, लड़की और रॉकेट आपको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. Identify the movie from the dialogue. एक बात मैं समझ गया हूँ, लड़की और रॉकेट आपको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. Anyone? I will repeat the question. Identify the movie from this dialogue. एक बात मैं समझ गया हूँ, लड़की और रॉकेट आपको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. No Bollywood fans out here? That's the correct answer. Rajna is the answer. Sir, your name and badge, please. Thank you, sir.
सोहन बस बहुत हो गया.
So here we go for the last question. Name the largest tire manufacturer.
नहीं पता होगा.
Name the largest tire manufacturer. No sir, that's not the answer. No, sir. It's the toy manufacturing company Lego.
Thank you. No, sorry.
पूछ ले. कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. कंटिन्यू कर.
देख कुछ वो जो आ रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे चलो उनको पूछ RCA के बारे में, कॉलेज के बारे में.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ ऐसा है जो अपना फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करे.
यही है ना वो सर से जो वो सर है ना उनसे कर.
बहुत सीनियर है, डिस्टर्ब करना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
नहीं चारी के पास. इधर चल, इधर ये बैठे ना, इधर चल.
हेलो
इधर चल. लुक यार कहीं तो जाना पड़ेगा.
अरे उसको आज करनी कौन.
Okay, sir, I have a very basic question for you. It's not a quiz. It's about your memorable moment at BIMTech. Your convocation, so can you know what happened out there? So,
That was best time, best memory we had. Because it was a combination of
Which batch from here?
2012-14 batch. So that was the last time you have to remember. That is the only thing.
Okay. Funniest moment?
that's great. And ma'am, I would like to ask you one question. How was your first day at BIMTech?
It was good. Since I knew many people, so it was not really tough gelling with the environment.
So did it meet your expectations?
Yeah, to some extent. But then it reduced with time.
Great. Sonali, chocolate.
Thumbs up नहीं देगा.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry. I have a question for you, sir. I want to know your first day at BIMTech. What were your expectations and did it meet your expectations at that time?
So the first year, we are from the first full-time batch, which was 1993-95. The first day when we came, we had a lot of questions because the infrastructure at that time we were under the Birla school and we were basically under the principles that was bungalows basement. That's what there were classes used to be. So we had a lot of questions.
We talk about the induction.
He can add. He can add.
Please share.
He remembers it. We both are from the same batch. So.
You should ask her. She's also the same. I have already answered.
I'll take the chocolate. About the induction.
I'm trying to remember. What was that?
You can also talk about your favorite faculty.
Hello. Yeah. No, it was actually excitement. But at that point in time, things were looking quite tough. C.V. Gupta was a very well-known person. Birla was a great brand. And there was not any promise that he will get the recognition which he did within a year. Right? So I think things were looking up and there was some, we met the faculty later on. So initially I think we were just excited. We said we are going to be part of something new which is going to develop and that is the way it shaped out. Right? Among the faculties we had various, Dr. Pandey, he was here for some time and Dubai man, right? And Dr. S. Kumar, I think he was one of the best faculties that I've ever been taught by. I still remember him and I try to be in touch with him. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience. May I know your good name and your batch, sir?
Arvind Bedi, 95 batch.
One for Pravi, one for Arshad. दोनों हो गए नहीं मैं उसमें बस दो है उसके लिए.
Sir, your good name and your batch. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
इसके पास पैसे हो? इसके पास नहीं है तो साक्षी.
Okay, sorry to disturb you, sir. I have a question for you. So the question is, who is your favorite faculty and what are the things you remember about your faculty?
That will be unfair.
Still, you have some faculty in your mind who, you will tell your friends about the things that you did in his class or the things that he did with you guys.
There are lots of teachers that have done things like those, but to name one, I would say Muslim Anis.
Okay, Professor Muslim, sir. And any specific incident that you remember now?
There were a lot many like during my internship period, so instructions and all that helped me during my internship period as well as my job duration since what I'm doing.
That's great, sir. May I know your good name and your batch, please? Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so I have a long question for you, sir. The design and layout of the Greater Noida campus was inspired from which school? Okay. The question is, the design and layout of the Greater Noida campus was inspired from which school? It's a great institute in India, sir.
Might be IIM.
No, not IIM. Give it one more try, come on.
It's Pilani होगा यार.
It's near.
It's ISB. I'll give that for you.
We are unique, yaar. It's unique. It's BIMTech. Rather, we're not inspired from anywhere.
That's the best answer I can have.
That's what I
Sir,
said.
may I know your good name and your batch?
My name is Aman Dada, and batch is 911.
The same batch, 911. My name is Ekman.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ बस रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रहा हूँ मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ इसे.
So here we comes to an end of the QE. Thank you so much to the alumni for coming here and making this evening a great success. We are obliged to have your presence and learn some good things from you and move ahead. Thank you so much and enjoy your evening. Thank you.
So close कर.